No one like you. You're my healer, you are my keeper, my restorer, my life keeper. You are the living God. Oh, there's no one like you. No one can do me like you do. No one can touch me like you do, God. Hey, you are the living God. Oh, there's no one like you. You picked me from the miry clay, set my feet on the rock to stay. You are my promoter, you are my defender. You are the living God. Oh, there's no one like you. kuchasia chukwa nani gibokuweme ikarabine nao ekuweme ekuweme okamirikana mwakwe abi aligwa okalawo dachomwe abazela dem chukwa See what you've done for me. See how you set me free. You were the living God. There's no one like you. See what you've done for me. See how you delivered me. You were the living God. There's no one like you. There's no one like you.
There are a lot of things you will not understand. But let me remind you, I will not apologize for being a Biafra. Why would I be? Your Yoruba pastor, can they worship God like this? Your Yoruba pastor, can they worship God like this? But you will not understand. You may disapprove us today, tomorrow, on Okurunjoge Kuma. They can do all they can. They don't allow me to play a national item. They've been cutting me off and on and on. But most of you will not understand. But let me remind you, I am a Biafran. And we will never apologize for that. And I'm sorry, if you are not a Biafran, there is nothing I can do. I can only say, I am sorry. I am sorry. It's not my fault. I didn't choose to be a Biafran. Why can't I be proud to be a Biafran? I'm sorry if you are not one. I'm very sorry. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London. Radio Biafra London is being anchored by the Deputy Supreme Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, His Eminent Mazi Uche Okafor Mefo, the one who the real corrupt individual like Jubri and Buhari will see, they will run away, because he said only one words and he healed all their diseases. The heart of this project will not see corruption. So you have corruption, you are playing around, all of you will fall in the end. For we are whiter than white. As Uche Okafor Mefo is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra, and Anambra State is Biafra land. He's standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom. Ibeku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia. Abia State is in Biafra land. Nobody commands our loyalty. You don't need to gossip to have your way. You don't need that. All you need is your power of persuasion. Nobody takes a kingdom by words, but by action. And by the special grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, I am George Onyibe. I'm from Abo. Abo is in Delta State. Every piece of land in Delta State is Biafra land for the avoidance of doubt. And I served the indigenous people of Biafra as the African rep and the Nigerian interim national coordinator. Adia Amama. Those of you who can read the signs around you like the children of Issachar, you will know where I'm coming from and where I'm going to. But of course, we continue acknowledging the Almighty Creator. Who are we without Him? We are just air, dust, and that is it. But the King Kwaf and Holy will bear us witness that we are not here to undo anybody. We are not here to conquer anybody. We are not here to be rich. We are not here to be famous. We are not here to become something that we are not. We are here simply because we are Biafra. Any other thing is irrelevant and inconsequential. But of course, we must acknowledge Him and then we move ahead. Makwaneziokwu ni mara mma ihunanya ni nage obioma ge ojuru anya anya dadio inwe ge mgba mgbanwe ọ dị onye dị ka gị ịbụ Alfa na Omega. Anyị niile na-asị na ịdị mma onye dị ka gị, onye dị ka gị, onye dị ka Dadi Chineke, ọ dị onye dị ka gị. Ịdị mma n'ụtụtụ, ịdị mma n'ehihie, ị kwesịrị tụkwasị obi Chineke, ọ dị onye dị ka gị, onye dị ka gị, onye dị ka Dadi m, onye dị ka Chukwu Chineke, ọ dị onye dị ka gị. Ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe Chineke, ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe obi n'igwe, ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe anya n'elu ụwa m, ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe n'eluigwe n'ụwa, ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe n'eluigwe n'ụwa, ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe. Ọ dị onye dị ka gị Chineke, ịkarịrị ya sị gị bụ. Ọ dị onye dị ka gị anya n'elu ụwa, ịkarịrị ya sị gị bụ. Etu ahụ dị na mbụ, ị ga-adịgide ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe. Etu ahụ dị na mbụ, ị ga-adịgide ịdị ya agbanwe agbanwe. Chukwu ịdị mma, Jehova ịdị mma, olileanya ndị nsọ ịdị mma, ọmaka nsebi ụwale na ịdị mma. Ezi Chineke m, narị ekele mgbe niile, anya n'elu ụwa mee, narị ekele mgbe niile. Ọkwa gị bụ echeta obi esike, ọkwa gị bụ ike anyị ji agaga, ọkwa gị kewara osimiri ye, imekwa ọnwa anya ga-akọtụrụ ime. Ọkwa gị yo Chineke, oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe, ọkwa gị yo Chineke ma ibuchi m, ibuchi me, ibuchi me na ibuchi m, ibuchi anya iji ahụ ụzọ agada gbajiri ụzọ nwoke obiọma, olileanya nke ndị Biafra anyị na-erere ọkụ na anyị na-agbara ọkụ. Ogene ka a ga-eji tụrụ gị ye gị nna aga m akwụsị ala ye gị nna m na-ebuchi. Chukwu ịdị mma, Jehova ịdị mma, olileanya ndị Biafra ịdị mma, ọmaka si biwale na ịdị mma. Ezi Chineke m, narị ekele mgbe niile. Isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe nwanne otu onye, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe onye njem ọnụ, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe Chimari oke, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe akpata na-eku nwa, isi ala gị nwe, isi ala gị nwe anya Jesu ụlọ, isi ala gị nwe onye anyị anyị isi, isi ala gị nwe anyị na-aja gị mma ịmakwa n'eziokwu n'ịbụ sọ mma ịhụnanya anyị na gị, obiọma gị o juru anya anya dadi inwe gị mgbanwe, ọ dị onye dị ka gị Ebu Alpha na Omega. Anyị niile na-asị na ịdịmma o. Onye dị ka gị, onye o, onye dị ka gị, onye o, onye dị ka dadi m, Chineke, ọ dị onye dị ka gị. Ka anyị bunye aha gị enu n'onye na-eme mma ka ebue Chineke, ka anyị bunye aha gị enu, okwere nkwa mee ya ka ebu dadile o. Ka anyị bunye aha gị enu, onye na-agwọ ọrịa ka ebu Chineke, ka anyị bunye aha gị enu, okwere nkwa mee ya ka ebu. Ọ dịghị onye yiri gị o, ọ dịghị onye yiri gị o, ọ dịghị onye yiri Chineke nke n'igwe o. O nwere onye a ga-eji ma ya tụsọ o, ya yiri ya o. Chimo, ọ dịghị onye yiri gị, obi n'igwe o, ọ dịghị onye yiri gị, anya ji ahụ ụzọ, ọ dịghị onye yiri Chineke nke n'igwe o. O nwere onye a ga-eji ma ya tụsọ o, ya yiri ya o. And some people want us to apologize. No, I should apologize because I'm Biafra. Is it my fault? Is it my fault? But of course, we must continue. And so we are taking that money to Yoruba pastor. Tell them to go and worship God so that you see them. Arosine joker. And you be there, paying your tithe. Oh, shake that booty that Jesus gave you. Come back to Chuko Kikabiama and be delivered for God's sake. We can only get better. Without wasting much of our time, we go to our topic this morning. And it is simple. We have already been mapped out for displacement. We have already been mapped out for displacement. And the earlier all of us understand it, the better for all of us. There are people who have carved us out. They say, oh, don't worry, these people in 100 years, they will be gone. Then these people in 50 years, they will be gone. These are men, Homo sapiens, who has the day they were born and who certainly will die one day. They have mapped us out, we the children of Chukwu Kikabiama. But we shall see how it ends. They succeeded in other race. They did it before now. But soon they will understand that the very fabric foundation of our existence on this planet Earth was actually where we were created from. We are Biafrans, for God's sake, without apology. Do we want to conquer anybody? No. Are we here to take that which belongs to another person? No. We want to chop glory? No. What do we want? Freedom. Freedom. You will understand in here. But we understand that strategic plan meticulously have been put in place to misplace us. We have been mapped out for misplacement. And then I said to those in Nigeria, stop deceiving yourself. Yoruba 10% in the church and 10% of all you will not save you. You have been mapped out for misplacement already. I was trying to think we are born to rule. I was middle better. Sorry for you. You have been mapped out for misplacement. And above all, Biafran, second tenure people. Second tenure. By now, you don't see you have been mapped out. May he have mercy upon you. But then I said to God, let his name be praised. He that taught to Rugigio. Umema hida toturuguge noga karakerugo hida toturuguge o anya nelo wanyo hida toturuguge noga karakerugo hida toturuguge o agwe jeje mba o hida toturuguge nonya uga karakerugo. We have been mapped out for misplacement. The game players in an unchanging country like Nigeria has mapped out plans already on how to displace Biafrans in our own land, and many of you cannot see it. When you hear about displaced persons, some countries around the world feel for those people who have been misplaced. They identify with us. They see how they can help the displaced people. But little did they know that British government from inception have mapped our plan to display the indigenous people. That is why he went around Africa took the specimen, the blood of some black people, mix it with that of goat and cow, and manufacture Fulani. If you people do not know today that Fulani were created in the lab, then I'm sorry, we can't help you. And from where this lab were located within Africa, they begin to use them to conquer nation after nation. Nigeria is almost conquered by Fulani, those who were produced in the lab. These are humans, hormones, and that of goat and sheep mixed together. And so when you see them sleeping with cow, it's normal to them. I'm talking about Fulanis. All of a sudden, they arrive in Nigeria. Nigeria of terrorists, lugard, and prostitute for our shore, of the greatest criminal country in the world, Europe. What do they call them? Britain. Colonial masters my foot. And on daily basis, we watch them. They growing wider and wider. Instead of us to come and say, Guy Jubri, you are not from here, go back to Sudan. Kai Buhari, you are not from here, go back to wherever you come from. Kai Fulani terrorists everywhere claiming to be on one, sending them back. And some people are still claiming, oh, it's our one Nigeria. Oh, we're going to love our one Nigeria. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter who you are. If you are a president of any country in the world, when I finish saying what I'm saying, go and do what you see. Let's see whether you will change anything. If you are a president of any country in the world, and you thereby stand and proclaim Nigeria as a sovereign nation, look at mirror the moment you are making this declaration. You will see if you are Igbo, you are a pig, very dirty pig. And if you are a black man, look at the mirror, you will see you are a very mature chimpanzee, without apology or setiana. Because you see truth and you pretend. Look at evil and call it by the name. These are the words of Uchimefo. Just look at evil and say you are evil. With the word power, we say sovereignty nation of Nigeria, integrity cannot be tempered with. If you be Oyibo, put mirror on your face, you will see a dirty pig. That is what you are. And of course, if you are a black man, just put mirror on your face, you will see that you are a mature chimpanzee, very mature one, barbaric chimpanzee of the highest order, Ndioshi. Plans have been made, set aside to displace us from our land. People do not know. Let's briefly look at the method of displacing us from our father's land. So you understand that thing you are running for, it is there before you already. Number one, invasion of land by Fulanis. The first skill to displace you is to invade your land. Hausa today have been conquered with Fulanis. I hope Hausa will wake up one day and understand the truth. Fulani kill all the Hausa monarch, all the Hausa king, and they replace them with emir. When you hear people say, oh, we are Lamido, Sami say Lamido, we are emir and we are Setani. All of them killed the original Hausa, the owner of the northern part of the Zoo called Nigeria. They came to the Middle Belt. They did the same thing. They were entering Yoruba. Took Kwara, put emir. Of course, they are still coming. But they discover soon, British government discovers soon, that no, Biafrans, I think, is the threat. We have to unleash hell on them. And now they are boycotting the rest and they are coming to Biafra land. And they say, oh, our cow want to drink water. Oh, our Quran need water to drink. Don't worry. The water, plenty of water is waiting for all of you. Don't worry. And so one pattern was to invade. Go and ask Yoruba intellectual. Kwara was invaded. The Yoruba in charge of Kwara was killed. And then today Kwara have an emir. And somebody say, oh, we are Kwaraletian. How do they say Kwaraletian? How did you call yourself? Yushi. They invaded our land. They came to Biafra land before now. Today, almost 50 to 60% of Edo people in Edo State are Muslim. Most of you don't know how he came. Moritola Mohammed is not an Hausa man. He's from Edo State. He was conquered. He was used. And he brought Islam. He allowed Queen Amina and her entourage to conquer part of Bendel State today. And then they cross over wanting to enter from Igala land. And the Atta of Igala, their father before these very ones, said no. No way. It will never happen. Queen Amina and her entourage ended in Igala land. There was a day our leader made a broadcast and he said, if not for Igala people, we are gone today. I mean, if not for some people, we are gone today. It is Igala people. When I say Igala people in their lukewarmness today, I pity them. It was the Atta of Igala that sacrificed his first daughter and said, over my dead body, Alamajiri, Fulani, British government produced Homo sapien with mixed with pig blood and cow blood will never conquer us. She buried the daughter alive. Until today, you don't talk about Kwenamena because nobody know the end. And when I talk about Igala, he say Kogi. Kogi is not Biafra. Of course, you have Fulani Kogi, you have Yoruba Kogi, you have Biafran Kogi. If you are a Igala man in Nigerian army, you are still doing Usha. May God have mercy upon you. Don't you know that the moment you pass Aguneri and Emuneri, the next community in Anambra is Igala people? Don't you know you have Igala extraction even inside Asaba? Don't you know that Igala people are the daughter of the first daughter, are the children of the first daughter of Omambara? And somebody is going to ask me more questions. Ask me, I will answer you when the time comes. You think we are joking? You think we are joking? They invaded land, but they couldn't invade Biafra land because God said, no, these are my people. You won't do that. Today they are just jumping up and we're going to kill them, we're going to oppress them. Kunyeni budike o, Timo kunyeni budike. Kunyeni budike, ihe jamania dike luana o, agbanwe kunye, ihe jamania dike luana o. Number 2, IDP camp. Everywhere. Oh, IDP camp. Oh, the word come and help us. IDP camp. Laya Mohammed is lying everywhere. Oh, it's IDP camp, please help us. Oh, internally displaced people. And then there are some accomplished. British government will say, yes, we give IDP camp 20 naira, and now we give. But what is IDP camp? Have you people ever wondered? IDP camp is a baby factory for Fulanis. They capture all the Awusa girls, how do they call them? All these Northerners girls, put them in one camp. Army will go there and be servicing themselves. All those people pushing wheelbarrow everywhere. That is how they make the children they used to fight you. Ask Awusa man that is your friend and say, what is your father's name? They don't have. The one who can claim to know, Fulanis, the one who claim to have father or mother, he said that Dangote, Dan Kabu, Dan Tata, Dan Oshodoke, Dan Oju Eleba, Dan Sambisa Forest. All of them are Dan. You burn them inside Sambisa Forest, Dan Sambisa. But you won't understand. You won't understand. I will separate yourself from Fulanis. People say, oh, it's IDP camp, they are internally displaced people, they are taking your land. All of you, they put in ID camp. Go back to your village. Let's see if you're actually internally displaced. Who displaced you? And when we talk, he say, no, we are not Tanas. Look at TV man. Oh, we are not Tanas. Look at Adawamawa. Oh, we are not Tanas. Look at you, Guarima. Oh, we are not Tanas. Look at what Fulani is using your head to do. That same thing they want to do in our land. But we are waiting for all of you. When we are done with you, you wish you never deal with us. You better get angry and do your worst. But the truth must be told. IDP camp is another way to chase you out of your land. Now they are giving you Indomie, giving you puff. You are happy. When they give you camera now, Yoruba, fraudulent Yoruba will give you camera because they control the media. You know, say, Nigeria give us a puff. We have eaten 2 and shinama. I narazi 2 and shimelu ndioshi. Look at how hopeless you people have become. And then the real 419, you say the internally displaced people in Nigeria is unbelievable. China now want to borrow us money to help internally displaced. You think we don't know what you are doing? Gradually, they are taking your land from you. If you like, wake up. If you don't like, say, it's coming for all of you. But before our time is up, they will know they deal with men who know God. Number 3, the kidnappers. Today, there are kidnappers everywhere. They call them Fulani Herdsmen kidnapper, Miati Allah kidnapper, Boko Haram kidnapper, Lamido Sanisu kidnapper. Now, their new name is Bandit kidnapper. Most of you don't know. These are Wasa Fulani. It is another agenda. Other manufactured breed from mixed blood of goat and cow with human being. They manufacture them. Their name is Fulani. They are everywhere now, every bush, kidnapping people. Samson Shasia, the mother have been kidnapped how many times? I think the last time they demand whether it's 70 million, they reduce it to 60 million. I think it's a Niger Delta man. And the day we were discussing, some people say, hey, let her take the mother abroad. That is exactly what they want. Most of you now, many of you, I can mention your name. When you come now, you stop in Lagos. This is exactly what they want. Then your mother will leave village with walking stick and come and visit you in one hotel in Lagos. Clap for yourself. And then I see some hopeless people coming to insult those of us on Biafra land. Do you know what we see on daily basis? If I talk to you now, you go hate yourself. But let me not go there. But I just want you to have your sense. This is exactly what we want. You are the one even telling that I can't go home. My people are useless. My people are senseless. My people are indisciplined. Did fella not tell you this thing? So you think we are the kidnapper? Stop all those things. No, you have to stop all these things. This is the what they want. So when you hear Miati Allah kidnapper, Boko Haram kidnapper, Fulani herdsmen kidnapper, now originally bandit kidnapper, these are Wasa trying to make our home uninhabited. And when you can say, oh, I cannot go there, I cannot go there. You people come to Lagos. I told my junior brother, I said, any of you enter Nigeria, you must, that's home where you sleep before you go abroad. Now there you go sleep. You don't do that. Don't even call mama, because you will be dead with it. And I'm happy. All of them we don't manage come home. Now that bed where they sleep as then they come on. Now in that night then go sleep. Except they make them better. If they don't make them better, I will tell them so no I joke this okay. But of course, all these things is making us to run away. Go and look for who is the president of Niger Delta Youth. You will see they are living in Banana Island. Look for Hannes Ndibo youth. He's living somewhere in Abuja. To you, it's a promotion, advancement. You know, we gotta move to the capital, Njoshi. But you don't know it is a plan mapped out already to displace us. Number 4, military barrack. You do not know that all the military barrack they are building in Biafra land, they are using it to displace us. When they wake up one day, I think Gwari people are complaining already. Then I come, oh, we the Nigerian Boko Haram army, we want to take this land to do security or insecurity. You're going to give us the land, and if you don't give us, we will kill you. We have legally obtained it. Who is the legal? British government. But you are illegal. Armies are taking. Go to what do they call it? Is it Arochukwu area? They build one barrack collecting all the land. They're calling it Good Luck Iberijuna barrack. Most of you don't know that Bori Camp belonged to Ojukwu father. It was seized among others. Taking your land. Rumola don't have land now. The only land they have now is Bori Camp. You don't know how many hectares of land Bori Camp is sitting on. And somebody will come from Rumola and say, thunder will fire all of you. And you can't see they are taking our land. Don't worry. Very soon when I come, you will know that I studied Latin. Then I begin to sing with my Reverend Father Cloth and begin to say, all of I will not don't work finish me when I come carry give me. You not say amen. Because if you no bring my complete 10%, thunder go fire you. You will say amen. Because I'm sounding holier. More holier than the Pope. I have become more Catholic than the Pope. Do you think the size of your cross is the size of your faith? Military barracks everywhere is another way of displacing us. Now, Rumola don't have a single plot of land again. But there are people sitting there that war has finished now. That was our Abacha base. Abacha was the man in charge of River State, as you call it, during the war. It was Abacha base. Abacha is dead. What are they doing there? Rumola people, are you people fighting? But can you listen? But we'll be telling you the truth until you wake up. Number 5, government project. These are tools of displacing our people. Government project. All of a sudden you hear, oh, we want to take Borokiri. Chibuike Amechi wanted to take Borokiri waterside. But Good Luck Iberijuna and wife say no. These are indigenous people. He say want to build hotel and river resort. That's whenever seafood chop, now they go hotel. But most of you may not know. Good Luck Iberijuna and wife say no. This Borokiri is for these poor fishermen. Allow them be. Amechi say, I will show you I'm the tiger of Niger Delta. And he sold his people to Hausa. Today now he's Galavante. How do they call him? Tiger of Niger Delta. Intellectual my foot. But if they have had access to take this land, it's gone. Where is Rainbow Estate in Port Harcourt? Around Modakat, there is a place called Rainbow Estate. Where are the people living there? Most of them died because they were dejected. Most of them are miserable, even run mad. Now they are building estate there for big man. The estate have been in construction almost 12 years now. It will never be completed they are taking your land. But go there now, as or what do they call that area? Modakat. Because maybe those people from that area now would have become Ukushiago or Modakat children. Go there now, that is your land they have taken. Whenever you see federal government of Nigeria in Biafra land say, oh, we want to develop here, it's your land, the land grabbers. That is why they keep changing the name. Ruga to Raga to Rugu to development to different name. It's another name now. It's a move out of Ruga. They think we are not watching them. We are watching all of you. Come and take that land. I thought the land in Nigeria belonged to the Federal Zoological Republic. Come and take it. So whenever they come, hey, we want to give you this, it's a lie. If Nigeria want to develop anywhere, they don't announce it. The money is there. Did they announce Abuja before they build Abuja? Did you hear any announcement that they want to build Third Mainland Bridge when the Babangida built Third Mainland Bridge? So, hey, leave our going land, they want to build it's a lie. Very big lie, I must tell you. When you see them around you, there is communal crisis everywhere. Look deeply into it. The government of Nigeria are the ones sponsoring communal crisis within Biafra land. The very communal crisis you see, those of you in Cross River State now, you are fighting with Ebonyi State. Go back and trace the origin of that crisis. It was Obasanjo who initiated that plan. They call it Boundary Adjustment Program. They move boundary from ordinary land to river. But what do they want? It is a method of displacing you. And every piece of land where you are having community crisis over, it will end up becoming Iluga. It will end up becoming Nigerian property. What I say this moment, go and find out all the piece of land where you are having communal crisis. You will see that government has taken over most of them. They are coming one after the other. So when you are a community in Biafra land, you want to fight your brother, you want to fight your sister, you want to drag that land, watch very closely. It is a system to take over our land. Don't make any mistake about it. Our people must understand that outside trying to take our land in the guise of Uruga or whatever name they call it, they are gradually displacing all of us from our own land. And so if we do nothing, it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. You must put an end to Nigeria, or Nigeria will put an end to you. You can't come home. Why is it that you can't come home? Because there is problem. There is problem. Make no mistake about it. All we ask for is freedom. All we are looking for is freedom. I'll be back in a minute.
Respect to my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB. Our people, they for street, they suffer. Them they hustle for something to eat. Chukwokike bless our land with resources, but we still living in poverty. Why are we living with python? We are living with vultures. In this zoo, there is no law, no constitution, or human rights. Freedom is all we are asking for. Freedom is all we are asking for. You have to free our great nation we love and cherish. You have to free our great nation, or all will perish.
They carry girl around for the massacre.
They kill our people, I say we be animal. No food to chop, no job, no joy. Mama, papa go straight for school, all in vain. Even the workers, no payment. Child was born in suffering, grown in suffering, see die in suffering. In this country, so a pity, a pity. We are not brothers, just let me go. No culture, no tribe, just let me go. Not religion or the same thing came. Can you tell me what makes us in unity? Freedom is all we asking for. Freedom is all we asking for. You have to bring our great nation we love and cherish. You have to free our great nation or all will perish.
Of course, we have to free our great nation. At this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line is 070 815 45642. Our WhatsApp line is 070 815 45642. Our direct line is 081 221 52971. Our direct line is 081 221 52971. Special number for the female is 081 288 58614. Special number for the female is 081 288 58614. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Mazi. Good morning, Mazi Jojo.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, my greetings to all the principal officers of IPOB. Mazi, my name is Obi Manuel Chibike. I'm from Mwidi. Mwidi is in Imo State, Biafra land, but now I'm calling from the state of Israel. Mazi, each morning, sometimes I feel weak to call, but your topic each morning push me to call. So this morning topic said we have been marked out for this what do you call it?
Displacement. To chase us out of our land indirectly.
Yes. Mazi, when I was in secondary school, we studied biology. And I found out that all animal, plants and animals have their habitat. You have the aquatic animals, they habit the water. You have the celestial animal, they habit the air. And they have the territorial animals, those that are under the ground. So God made all animals, all human beings, everything to have a place they habit. Then we Biafrans, we habit the Biafran land. Mazi, it is very, very unfortunate that in Nigeria, all the tribes in Nigeria, the Oduduwa and the Arewa, they have another Oduduwa or Arewa across the world. They have another kingdom across the African continent, like the Yorubas. They have Yoruba in Benin. The Fulani Hausa, they have them in Cameroon, in Chad. But the Biafrans, you cannot find an Ijaw man anywhere in the world except that land called Ijaw land. So is it to the Igbo, to the all the nations that make up Biafra. But this is our only land, and they want to displace us in our land. They want to pursue us in our land. Mazi, I find it so difficult when I'm reading Nat Geo Wide or when I'm watching documentary on animals. They will list up 10 animals that they are facing extinction. They say this animal, they are facing extinction. They are facing their population is drawing down. But we that are human beings, we that are Biafran, that they are exterminating every day. When you kill all of us today, there will not be any Igbo man, there will not be any Ijaw man. They do not want to listen to our plea. But recently in Brass, there was this word that stray out of the beach and people kill it and they eat it. And people that think they are civilized, they are complaining. Why do you take it well? But we that are human beings, the same bias that they kill people from a community as Agbene, nobody complained. So we are now, animals are now better than us. They have the right to kill us. The people that are civilized, those people that call themselves Western nation, they kill for fun. When they kill animal, they call it game. But when we kill because we are hungry to eat. But they kill their own and call it game. There's no other land for us. We need what we need to do to protect our land, to say no to hunger. to say no to all those barbarians that is displacing our land. Well, recently, they say that Nigerian unity is innegotiable, but today it's negotiable. I see Osibanjo where he's talking that if Nigeria disintegrate today, all the nations that will go on their separate way cannot
It's
prosper.
a lie. How will we know when we have not been there? We even I prefer that disintegration. I want to be slapping Igbo man. Let Igbo man be slapping me. Slapping Ijo, let Ijo be slapping me. Akwabo. Let's begin to fight ourselves. Eh?
Yeah.
When a child bites the mother in the breast, that pain is a joy, a pain of joy. I better let my brother kill me. That this one outside is killing me. Have they not been doing this for almost 100, 200 years? It is. Let him go and tell he's a Yoruba church member. These are 419 worshiping God. Don't even call Yoruba. Let me not decapulate them this morning. Yoshi.
Man, that man is a useless professor. But man, before he talk that, we have to know that something is cooking on that. Before a vice president to come out to talk that,
of
something
course,
is cooking
Nigeria
on that.
must divide. That is why we are here. If Nigeria has not divided, it's because some people still think that what we are doing here is a business. Mazen and the Kano will collect some percentage, which Mefona collect some percentage, George Onibe takes some percentage, then we go and sleep and be carrying Nigerian army bodyguard like Wazirika and the rest of them. But anybody who had that plan in mind, they never know what they've done to themselves. Nigerians lose already because there are mechanisms put in place without their knowledge. Yes, please, my brother.
Well, before amalgamation, how were we living? Are we living better than then than now? Before amalgamation, our people have been doing business. You have Jaja of Opobo, you have all of them doing business with international communities. But now, where were we? We are now borrowing money from people that we are better off than. So let us separate. Let us try it now. If the deal didn't work, then we will beg them to come and marry us again. But if you work, let bye-bye to them. Yes, that is our stand. So we are the most endangered species in the whole world. The world has to hear this. Thank you much.
Thank you very much. We must continue. Our people must remain focused. Our fathers had tried one Nigeria. It didn't work. We have tried. It's not working. Can you hear me, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there?
Hello.
Please speak louder.
God bless you, my brother.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
God bless you. You are already blessed in this Biafra land, Mazi. Mazi, the one calling you this morning is Mazi Amongo John Yaji. Mazi Amongo John is calling from Abakaliki here to be precise. But Mazi Amongo John hail from Igede. Igede is situated at Obosa. Obosa is in Oju. Oju is Biafra land. And I'm speaking this morning from Abakaliki. And also, Abakaliki is also a Biafra land. Mazi, I thank you. You are a blessed man already. Every IPOB member is blessed. All Biafrans are blessed. It doesn't matter what they are doing. It doesn't matter the goal of the one. It doesn't matter how they are dilly-dallying in this restoration. Mazi, we are blessed. Our land is blessed. We, the people of Biafrans, are blessed. That is why this country, zoo, called Fulani, Yoruba, and Hausas, they are mad about us because they know what God has installed in our land. They know what God has installed in our brain. Mazi, after this struggle, if they know what is good for them, Mazi, they should allow us to go peacefully. Because if they don't, they will regret it in their life. If they don't allow us to go peacefully, they are going to regret it. In fact, they will now begin to say, why is it that they didn't allow us to go? They will never know what God has put in us to do for them. They thought that this is the time of Ojuku. No, this time is very, very different. This time is the time of lion and a lamb. And we are the lion. And we are going to tear that lamb apart. Mazi, let me tell you something this morning. It doesn't matter what they think they are. They are nothing before us. This land they are invading is the land that God has planted us in. God gave us this land and planted us as the seed in this land. And we're going to germinate and bear fruit. This is our own land. All these barracks all over the places in this Biafra land, Mazi. The barracks belong to us. The barracks belong to us, Mazi. I'm beating my chest this morning. The barracks in Biafra land belong to us. Nobody owns this barracks. This barracks is built with our own money. Praise God, amen. Mazi, may the Almighty God bless you. Don't you worry. Don't be afraid. All the IPOB members, nobody should be afraid of what is going to happen. Because I know we are going to destroy them all. The land of this Nigeria, or the land of Yorubas and the middle, west and the north. This land is going to be desolate. I so speak. This land is going to be desolate. After we have done with them, they never know what is coming up. If they know what is coming to Mazi, they will let us go peacefully. Because if they don't, their land is going to be desolate. Because we are going to fight them like never before. They think that it is the time of Ojukwu. I always tell them that this is not the time of Ojukwu. It is better for them to let us go peacefully. Because all what they have used our money to do, to build in their own side, west and the north, using Biafra land money, our oil money to build, we are going to bomb everywhere. We are going to destroy everywhere. Because I know there is nothing is happening here in our own side, because Kule and Alhaji have said it. Alhaji said that after this APC government, before it will round up that the Igbos, we Biafrans will become irrelevant in this country. But I tell him he's lying.
Thank you very much.
Because if he thinks it's going to be like that, he's lying to himself. He's a great liar. There is no truth finding him. We are going to fight these people to that end that they will never think, they have never dreamt of what is trying to happen. I am telling you the truth.
Thank you.
If they allow it,
Thank you. And that is how it's going to be. Can you hear me, caller, on the line?
Yes.
Caller. Yes, Ada, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Sakuru Biafra. I want to greet you for the good work you're doing for us. I'm calling from Ndoki. I want to thank our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. I want to thank our deputy, Mazi Mefo. I say that you could bless all of you in the name of Yahushua. Mazi, everything you're saying is, I don't know, it's the truth. May God bless you for your good work. Mazi, you talked about Igala this morning. I've seen that, I don't really listen to radio all the time, but except I come home. But I've seen the woman. I don't know what happened, but I've seen something like that. The Igala daughter telling me that she's still telling her people that they are what part of us, and that she's still telling her children that this is the map, this is the boundary, and she keeps stretching to the east to us here, telling us that we should not abandon them, that we are part of them. I was like, I woke up. So hearing you this morning talking about Igala, I was so shocked. I don't know. I just want to thank God for all the things you are saying. But honestly,
what we are doing here is ordained by God. My sister, what we are doing here is ordained by God. It's just that most people who have been appointed to do this job still think it's normal business, buying and selling. One day they will understand. One day they will understand. They will say, oh, they want to take our land. Who needs their land? British government divided Biafra land into two equal parts before they handed over to these Fulani terrorists, baked breeder Fulanis, and our side is following them. Go ahead, let me not even digress any further.
Don't mind them, don't mind them. See, the cap that the Almighty has put upon you, even anybody that has 7 heads cannot wear it. Because I've seen that cap on your head, rounded your head up, straight up like a trumpet. What you're doing, the Almighty is with you, and is one that is giving you inspiration. Nothing, no harm can come to you. Nobody can kill you. Nobody can stop our leader. Nobody can stop our deputy Mazi Uchemofo. the Almighty selected all of you for this job, and He will continue strengthening you. On Shabbat, there was a message that came that the Mother Earth is very angry that she has moved to Britain, that they are going to do to Britain worse than what they did to Pharaoh. That even Britain, they are not happy because they said they will wipe us out the way they did before. And
they should come now. The gate is open for them. Let them come now.
So in that revelation, the owners of the land, the real indigenous people that had lived peacefully before the Britain came, those there must white braided men with their staff, they moved it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We must continue.
Yes, my leaders.
Thank
they said they are going to meet on Hamadike, 7 elders, the real owners of the land, 7 kingdoms. They have gone to meet on Hamadike, that they are moving to Britain. Britain will be facing problems upon problems. It shall never be well with them.
Thank you very much. We must continue.
Thank you, man. God bless you.
And bless you too. But of course, whatever they do, our people must understand. We are here for one reason and one reason alone: our freedom.
Biafra's Got Talent exclusive.
Oh la 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 la, Masinam de Gano. Uche me for, Masinam de Gano. Mazinamdi Kano, Hamadike, Rodogwana Barisuwan, Nabia Felan, Mazuche before the chicken eat for Rojo Fogana, Rojo Fogana, Uche me for Okobiyama.
Yes, caller on the line. Are you there? Caller on the line.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
Good morning, dear fans all over the world, wherever you are. My name is Glenn Abukori Chinedu, here from Onitsha Base, in Ebonyi province. The Iguacha volunteer. My response to speak to my people. Mazi Otutoma. Mazi has a very wonderful song I want to learn out to Biafra this morning. And that song says, Ejina Nigeria Kwamogwalo, Chukwuwere Biafra Kwamogwalo, Biafra Kama, Ejina Zulu Kwamogwalo, Chukwuwere Biafra Kwamogwalo, Biafra Kama. This is my son.
Zulu Epileptic Network. Can you hear me call on WhatsApp? Sorry, call on the line. Are you there? Of course, we lost that caller, but we must continue. Let's not make any mistake about it. Our people must remain focused. Our people must understand that all we want, just get it. We don't want to become colonial master. We certainly don't want to take over anybody's land. We want our freedom. Can you hear me, caller on the line? Of course, Zulu Epileptic Network. Are you there, caller on the line?
Good morning.
Good morning, Ma, from here. Go ahead, please. The word is
The peace of Chukwukikadiama be with you.
and be with you, Ma.
Maza, we are grateful for what we are happy. And we are into university. And in year 1. What they are telling us is exactly what happened. I'm not a baby. That is why they remove history from school. Our children today cannot study history to know their left and their right. Thomas Onibe, we are praying that Almighty Chukwukikadiama will continue energizing you, continue
giving more wisdom every day to our leader, Martin and the Khan. Even Uchemefo, even Nemian, all of you working very hard to make sure that we get ourselves out of this jungle of killing and destroying our children, our land. Everywhere is being destroyed. There is no peace. There is no place for us. Despite Almighty that set you people apart, I don't know what myself, where I would have been today. I'm telling some people that despite IPOB, me and you that is standing talking cannot talk. But the only thing we have to do is to come together. As you are bringing us together, you are trying every day to make sure that you resolve back all what they have done in the past, to bring all the Biafrans together. We are grateful. We love what you people are doing, and we are praying. If I cannot go in war front, I have to pray. If I don't have gun, I have to raise my hand. My hand is gone. As I was said, that everything around them is gone. It is for warfare. Dangote Motor is for warfare. They can use it and kill somebody. Nobody will ask. They can stab somebody with knife. Nobody will. But our raising up hand, calling Chukwu Bikagam, will one day deliver us. We are grateful, my brothers. What we are doing, we are supporting. We are here supporting you people. No matter what is happening, no matter the support to us, we are in support of you people. Now the Kalo cannot fail us. He has sworn. He cannot fail us. You cannot fail us. Uchemeto cannot fail. None of them that has come with truth and love of Biafra will fail us. I say, Mechuku Kikajama, who is strengthening you day and night, continue strengthening you. We will win. I believe it and I trust it. We will win. One day we will be free. In the name of Chukwu Kikajama. May Chukwu Kikajama continue being with you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We must continue. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on the line, I wish you will stop listening to your radio. I wish you will stop listening to your radio when you call. Caller on the line, are you there? Caller, good morning. Monitoring spirits. Good morning from
May you go Kadama bless me. May you go Kadama bless. May you Kadama bless our leader. Nnamdi Kanu. May you go Kadama bless our deputy. Mazi Uchemefo. May you go Kadama bless all Biafrans all over the world. We are going home. We are not looking for another man's land. As he said, we are going home. We are only in our land. We are only in our land. We want our land. We don't want them in our land. We don't want Fulani in our land. We don't want Nigeria in our land. We don't want Britain in our land. We want our land. Let them go to their own land. We have our land. Biafra land.
Thank you very much.
I said the Nigeria should go. They should go to their own land. We don't need them. I'm shouting it, and every day I will be preaching the gospel of Biafra. I said to them, go to their own land. If you know that you are in Nigeria, go to your land now. Those that are here answering Chidemma, Chigozia, Emeka, Chukwu, Amaka, and are claiming to own Nigeria. Let them go to their land now. This is Biafra land. We are not here. We are only Biafra. Those that are Nigeria should go to their destiny. Stop giving us a deck. We want our land, and we must get our land. This we pray, and we know that it's coming to pass. In the name of Chukwu Kikajama.
You see, thank you very much, Ada. We must continue. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Yes, my comrade Mazon Ibe, I'm here.
Go ahead, please.
My name still, good afternoon from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My name still remains Uchechi Ezekwem. I'm from Amuro Okigwe province in Biafra land. Mazi Onyibe, indeed you are in spirit this morning, because I could remember I have been waiting for you to come on air, and the radio have been making some noise. I know what you have been battling to make sure that the signal come on, and the letter on. You were in the spirit. I heard your worship songs, unlike the way you used to pray before, unlike the way you used to sing before. You sang more than 5 to 6 worship songs. And I was really touched. Because these are the reasons why but some of us will not understand when our director will be on air. What are we doing in Yoruba church? Those that says that we should come and pay our tithe in their church, in their various churches. But we are the main original people. We are the original people. The 5 or 6 worship songs you sang this afternoon as Onyibe is very, very amazing. That signifies where we are coming from. That shows whom we are. We are the people that will reverence this God and call his presence, and it will just come. Wherever you are, that you begin to feel the Holy Spirit. That reminds me, takes me back when I newly got married in 2013. There, my people were trying to let me to call this musician or call people that will sing or do after we come back from the traditional way to come back. I said no, I will not. I will not call anything, anybody, any musician or any singer. Right inside her in my father's house in the village, the youth few of us, we started playing using kumkum milk. It's not that the money is not there. I just want to do it in a local way. I got the money. I have the money. Then, do you know, Mazoni, we are not up to 10 people. Do you know, the songs you sang this morning referred my mind back what happened earlier 2013 when you got married. What happened in my presence, the presence of my father's house. The kind of praises we gave to Chukwuoku that night, that evening when we came back. The presence of God really came down. Everybody melted with ordinary hand. Few of us, we are using just ordinary hands. Kumkum milk. Using just be singing songs. The whole village out there just ran together and everybody was in the spirit. Mazonibe, it shall be indeed. Those few of us are called by this work. It's not easy. Indeed, you are among those that are called to liberate our people. After our supreme leader and our indefatigable deputy, Mazuche Pomefo, who stood when the crisis was going on in 2016, 2015, he said the heart of this struggle can never see any corruption. The man who stood by his words until our leader comes out. You are the third in command again, if I'm to say, if I'm to give you that command.
Don't go there, please.
Mazonibe, Chukwuoku Abiyama is with you. Mazonibe, without taking most of the time, there's something I came across on the Daily Trust Zoo newspaper. They are saying that they are going to their Nigeria government sentences 54 soldiers to death for refusing to fight Boko.
That is so epileptic, Nathan. But cover on the line, are you there?
Good morning.
Good morning from here. Your name and where are you calling from?
My name is AUJ, your beloved sister and mother. I'm calling from London. I thank God, I thank you, Chukwuoku, for what he has done for us by bringing us people, choosing people that will stand in the gap. Nnamdi Kanu is a man that God chose from heaven. No thing anybody can do. Uchenefo and you, all of you that are working, but there's something I want to tell you. I had a dream long time ago in this country, in England. God sent the army to come and liberate the black man. They were on chain. I didn't understand that trend until the day talk about chain. And when they came, the old men, they are weak. The old men said, release the younger one. Biafra have been released in the realm of the spirit. Remember, when they come to colonize us, this land was not allotted to us. It was a given land for people to tell them. So there is nothing they can do. My prayer is that we should just have patience. Remain small. We'll be out. You can see the music. They are dancing and beating the drum. They beat the drum. They dance the music. May the people come and bless you, strengthen you. Stand firm. You are doing the work your Father chose you to do. You are going to do what you are doing. All of you. God bless you.
Thank you, Ma. We must continue. It is simple. God chooses the men who lead us. And there is no better choice than Maziuchi Ukafomefo. And sometimes we need to correct certain impression. George Onyibe is just an IPOB member. Nothing more, nothing less. Forget about the title. For when we have genuine leaders, what are we looking for? Nigeria is what it is today because what you have are drivers, caterpillar drivers. They think we are stupid. But no worry. Biafrans all over the world must understand. We've looked into CIS method of displacing us from our land. It is it or whether we will fight against it. Can you hear me? Caller on the line. Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Okay, I'm Mazi Chisom, calling from Malaysia. Yes, what you are saying is very right. I remember Rainbow. I'm a victim of that Rainbow too.
My brother,
Rainbow
many people
Monaco.
died. Many people died. Some went mad.
Yeah.
This government to displace those people wake up one day and say they want to build a state for civil servants. They took over Rainbow. Today there are some people who I don't even know where they come from. Maybe they have gone to Imo State now or Akwa Ibom. But when you tell them, they will not understand. Go ahead and sorry for interrupting you.
People. A man stood up and died that very day because he has no place to go. Caterpillar, bulldozer came to demolish. You know, the Rainbow is Bacha. Some place were built by block. The Caterpillar, the man jumped on top of Caterpillar, let the Caterpillar crush him and kill him. A lot of things happened that day. Do you know that this Peter Odile and share those places? He reach where the Catholic has their motherless home. Reach where the Catholic has their motherless home. Where you are coming out from here. I don't forget the name of that place. They share the whole land. When Amechi was a speaker, Odele and Obasanjo, all of them share that place.
Between Goodluck
Many
Ebere
people
Jonathan. The problem between Ebere Goodluck Jonathan and Chibuike Amechi is because Ebere Jonathan wife refused to allow Nigerian to displace Burukili people. But Amechi want to give it to Nigeria.
Yeah.
But people say they want to develop our land, building Ruga in our land, refinery in Sambisa Forest. Go ahead, my brother.
Yeah, that's why sometimes when people start talking bad against Jonathan, I will be angry with them. I say, you people should leave this man. I know he's not a saint. Amechi could have handed over that single places to federal government. But this patient collected microphone from Amechi's hand. I thank God for that action. God put her to do that action that day. And most of our people has been displayed. Just that this woman, places we used to fish, my forefathers. You can't just come say you will demolish it, that nobody can stop you. Say, who are you to speak that word? A lot of our people today has no place to go. Federal government will come collect the property. Now they want to pass a bill, Land Act, to National Assembly. You see why we say we don't have hope where they are. They want to pass that law in National Assembly that every land will be to federal government. But this land is our ancestral right. is our birthright, where they bury our placenta. Is where we belongs to. That made us to travel anywhere. We still come back home to remember where we came from. And they just want to come and collect it in the plot of gold, and which will not happen. That is what they want to pass. You see most of them that is there and have, they cannot speak for us. When they say majority carry the vote, how many senators are in the north? How many senators are in the east? Entirely east. Okay, let's say the whole house. The senator in the northern area is still bigger than the one in the here. If they hands up, there is no time we will challenge them in anything. The better thing is to split the country. Let them go and let we go our own. We don't have the same culture. We don't eat the same food. We don't. Because anyone that marry Hausa, he makes something that made him to marry that Hausa. It's longer truth. We don't intermarry. And unsecondized people. Man, I will stop here. My brother.
Ma Abule, thank you very much.
Obobi Adam. Yes, Obobi Adam.
Anya. Thank you very much. This is where we draw the curtain this morning. I must appreciate those of you who were able to call in and those of you who couldn't make it. I sincerely apologize. Understand, the only thing left of us is our ancestral land, and they are very desperate to get it. But we shall see how it ends. We will not give it up. And those who have fought for us to be free, understand that everything will be all right. You lost your loved ones, your mother, your father, your son, your daughter, because of this struggle. Don't worry. Everything will be all right.
This song is dedicated to the victims of this genocide. Those who lost their lives from 1967 to this very moment.
I had to do this song with you. My brother man, I don't believe you. Shake a man to beat you. My brother man, listen up. Tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. I need to tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. Follow me, tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. Follow me, tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. Tell that Biafran soldier he's gonna be alright. Follow me, tell the wounded he's gonna be alright. The spirit of our fathers, follow me, tell everybody he's gonna be alright. See them hard lows, wanna bring us down. They wanted we keep rising up. See betrayers, wanna bring us down. They wanted we keep rising up. Bring your gun and your bullet and bazooka and your grenade and Biafrans. We will fight till the end. See them sabotage, playing cowardice in the corona. But we will win them all. I say we will win them all. Man, Kanu is the leader. He says he's gonna be alright. He's gonna be alright. Tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. I need to tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. Follow me, tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. Follow me, tell that Biafran soldier that he's gonna be alright. Tell that Biafran soldier he's gonna be alright. Follow me, tell the wounded he's gonna be alright. Tell our mothers, our fathers that he's gonna be alright. Tell our mothers, our fathers that he's gonna be alright. Oh.
I remember a very good brother man from my nation, Biafra land. Yeah. Oh na na na, what a wicked world. I want a junior, another day, dear friends, shot by the government. Because of our freedom, we are fighting for a better life. One thing I know, forward ever, backward ever. We will one day have day, someday, sometime. So tell that Biafran soldier that is gonna be alright. I need to tell that Biafran soldier that is gonna be alright. Follow me, tell that Biafran soldier that is gonna be alright. Follow me, tell that Biafran soldier that is gonna be alright. Tell that Biafran soldier he's gonna be alright. Follow me, tell the wounded he's gonna be alright. Little children with no father and mother.